How to make Russian brownies. Step 1, vodka.
No. Brownie mix. Step 2, pour the butter.
And vodka.
No.
Step 2, crack both eggs.
Oh, I can crack it with one hand.
Ugh, show off. I can crack it with my ring.
Oh, that.
I'm a pro.
Step 2, tablespoon water.
Yeah, Russian water. Step 2, mix with special Russian whisk.
Step 2, pour in the baking tray.
And add vodka.
No.
Okay. Get it in there.
That is exactly what
yeah.
she.
It doesn't look good.
Good.
Yeah, he's like, I saw my light flash.
Now we put some I'm sorry. Now we put some brownies in the oven.
It's screw solar power. This is vodka powered oven.
Hey, what happened to the other guy?
Murder.
No. Brownies are ready. Perfect.
It's not gonna work. I'm not that strong. I hate my wife.
Nico, how many brownies did you have?
Had 7.
Oh. This is
Boss.
How many calories are in this?
Just eat it.
Oh, that is. I'm not saying that. That's old.
It's missing something. I'll just eat this.
Jesus Christ, you're a monster.